Hi guys, welcome to Cosmic Minds. Today here with the problem of chapter DCs and DRs. The question is given as to find the angle between two lines. The lines are not given, but the two lines DCs are given as L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and L square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. So given two DCs are L plus M plus N is equal to 0 written, and we write these as plus M plus N are taken to the right hand side and L will be equals to minus of M plus N. Let it be the equation number 1. Now second DC is given as L square plus M square minus N is equal to 0. In the place of L square we can substitute minus of M plus N. So we substitute minus of M plus N whole square plus M square minus N square is equal to 0. Okay, as we expand this, M square plus N square plus 2mn will get this, and plus M square minus N square, this minus N square and this plus N square will be cancelled out, and here M square plus M square is equal to 2m square, and we write 2mn as it is equals to 0. Now we took 2 as common and we got M square plus N to mn is equal to 0. We take these 2 at this RHS side, it will be equal to 0. It will be divided with 0 and it will be 0. M square and M square plus mn is equal to 0, and from these we take m as common, m plus n, m into m plus n, so we get m is equal to 0 and m plus n is equal to 0. From that we get m is equal to minus n. Up to here we found out the m values. Now in case 1, as m is equals to 0, then L will be, then these L will be m equals to 0, then these L will be minus of 0 plus n, then L will be minus n. So as we take the ratios of these three, L is to m is to n, what is the L here? Minus n. M is equals to 0 from here, and n will be, say as it is, n. So as we cancel out minus 1 0 1, so the DRs of L1 are minus 1 0 and 1. Let it be the A1 B1 and C1. It will be mentioned it as 3. Okay, from here in case 2, put m is equals to minus n. We got here m is equals to 0 and m equals to minus n. We take m is equals to minus n here, then the L value will be, from here the L value will be L is equals to minus of minus n plus n, minus n plus n is equal to 0, then it will be 0 and the L value will be 0. Again we take the ratios of these three, L is to m is to n, we get L is to m is to n as L equals to 0 is to, what is the n? Minus n, and what will be the n? So as we cancel out, 0 is to minus 1 is to 1. So the DRs of L2 are 0 comma minus 1 comma 1. It will be the A2 B2 and C2. Now we got 2 points, A1 B1 and C1, A2 B2 and C2. From these 2 points we find out here the cos theta, that is nothing but an angle between two lines. Okay, angle between two lines. From 3 and 4, from these third point and fourth point, we find out the angle between two lines, that is by the formula using cos theta is equals to modulus of A1 A2 plus B1 B2 plus C1 C2 by under root of A1 square plus B1 square plus C1 square into A2 square plus B2 square plus C2 square. As we know the values of A1 B1 and C1, A2 B2 and C2, we substitute all these value in this formula. As we simplify, we get as like this, is equals to 1 by 2. Cos theta is equals to 1 by 2, that means theta is equals to 60 degrees. So the angle between two lines whose DCs are L plus M plus N is equal to 0 and L square plus M square minus N is equal to 0 is 60 degrees. Thank you.